Yeah, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button. You need so many tools just to open the iPhone 7 Plus. All you need is just this set of tools, which you can see on your screen. They're both very good for dismantling iPhone 7 Plus. And today we'll be talking of the iPhone 7 Plus, how you can change the battery. And these are the tools which you'll be needing. One, the flat, then the second one is the iPhone screwdriver. And I'll be showing you how it will be done. First, you take the iPhone screwdriver to dismantle the phone. Then you have to lose the screws which are below the iPhone. Every iPhone has two screws that is below it, and you can see it from your screen. These are the two screws very close to the charging ports. iPhone 7 Plus is same as every other iPhone. It comes with two screwdrivers. So first thing you do, you have to use the iPhone screwdriver to lose and remove the two screws below the iPhone. After that, then you use the second screw, which is on your screen, which is a flat screwdriver, to open the phone. And this is how it will be done. You lose the iPhone screws with the screwdriver. You lose the down of the phone. When you are done losing it, this is how the screws will look like. Then the next thing is to use the flat to open the phone from below the phone. Then you open it from under, then you open the sides, the side by side, until you have done opening the phone. And when you're done opening the phone, this is how it will look like. Then you open it by this side, which is at the left corner, left side of the phone. You open it. Then the next thing you do, you have to disconnect the old battery. When you disconnect it, then you remove the old one, and the next thing you do will be to replace the old battery with a new one. When you are done replacing it, then what you do is that you close the phone just the same way it was open, and you will be seeing it on your screen. This is how it will look like after replacing the new battery on the phone. Then you close every side and the corner of the phone. You close it so that everything will be well closed. You don't need any screw, unlike Android phones. iPhone is very simple. It's only two screws that they do put below it. Is when you open it, then you get to see other screws which is under it. Then you put the two screws that were removed under the phone. When you are done fixing the screw, and this is how it will look like when you are done tightening it with the first screwdriver, which is the iPhone screwdriver. After tightening it, then this is how it will look like, and you close it. You can see the phone is on now, working perfect. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to keep getting more of this kind of videos. Thank you.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.